Hi guys, welcome back to Spotoria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to get dark mode on Snapchat iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step, you have to open your Snapchat apps on your phone, and then tap the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner to open your Snapchat profile right here. From the profile page, press the setting gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and I'm gonna click right now. And then under my account settings, scroll down, and when you find app appearance, tap it to view the option to change the theme of Snapchat. From the app appearance setting, choose always dark to enable dark mode on Snapchat from your iPhone, like that. And you have to go back, and it's done. Your Snapchat already on the dark mode. So guys, I think that's it, a little tutorial from me. I'll see you on the next video, and good luck.